Hi guys, right, today I'm going to show you how to take off a golf grip with a simple coat hanger. First thing is, let's go and get a coat hanger. This is the type of coat hanger that you need. It's like this really thin metal coat hanger. Where do you normally get them from? You tend to get them from like dry cleaners or like people who do maybe like ironing or laundry services. The very next thing to do is take the coat hanger that I took from my golf top, and then I'm going to now make it into like a long, you see, pulling it that way, I'm now going to make it into a long metal, you can see, like this long metal strip. And the closer I can get this one together, the better. And this is the key, you see this like blunt end, so that's where I'm going to put it inside the golf grip, and the blunt end will stop it piercing through, you know, the rubber golf grip. So just going to get this thing all squashed down. It won't take too much longer. So first thing is obviously put the golf club in the vise, grip down. You don't need it 90 degrees, but just at a bit of an angle so you can make this thing work. You can also look at one of my other tutorials on how to make a homemade vise clamp for your golf shaft. Okay, so also just got an old coat hanger per some of my previous videos. I've just straightened it out. There's a bit of white paint on it. Don't worry about that. Okay, so the first thing is, if you can just zoom a bit closer on here, is just unfold the top of the grip like so, and then ideally you just get a syringe like this, which is just a I can't remember the size of it, maybe a 5, yeah, maybe it's like a 100ml, maybe 50ml syringe from eBay or somewhere. And all I've done is cut down like a milk carton, put some white spirits, and then just filled up the syringe with some, you can just see me here, look, you can see I've just filled up the syringe with some white spirits. Okay, so first task, obviously roll down the grip, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to be very careful, and you can see I'm using the blunt end of this bent coat hanger, hence why it's the blunt end, and I'm just going to literally put it into the grip as far as I can without damaging the grip, and then I'm going to inject some. Again, there's no needle on this. It's just the I don't know, like the end of the syringe. So I'm just going to inject that in a little bit. That's it, just a tiny bit, and that'll get it started. And you can see now all I'm going to do is, it's a bit of a messy job. I'm just going to try and push this coat hanger down, and I'm actually just moving it around the grip to try and get this thing loose. So again, just using the white spirits that I've just injected in, I'm just going to free up this one. I'm just going to keep slowly trying to push this coat hanger a bit further down and put in some white spirits. And that's the kind of goal, is to keep kind of putting some white spirits in and try to push it down as far as you can, because all you're trying to do here is just free up the grip from the adhesive. Now, one thing to just be careful on is, obviously you don't want to push down too far because you don't want to pierce the grip. So I'm literally just pushing this down gently but as far as I can, and then when I've got, if you can see here what I'm doing, you see like I'm opening a hole to inject some more white spirits, and that should give me a bit more movement in this grip. Yeah. And I'm just trying to free it up all the way around. And you can see now it's really starting to bend and twist, which is perfect. So again, I'm going to go in a bit deeper this time. Put in just a tiny drop of white spirits. Again, it's a pretty messy job, so you probably do want to do this outside if you can, and you might want to have some towels to hand. You can see it's not that messy. You know, it's just getting your hands messy, but see, again, I'm just literally just working this down, and I'm just trying to move it slightly lower each time. And I'm just going to take it out. Don't worry about all the white and the mess. That's just coming from the coat hanger and from the grip. So I'm just going to grab a towel, and I'm just going to twist a bit now. Yeah, look, you can see how much that grip is moving off now. So this is very, very nearly done. So think just a couple more goes. Just drop that coat hanger in, push it down as far as I can, drop some more white spirits in. And again, where I can, twisting where I can. You can see I'm almost to the bottom now. You'll find when you do this, some grips are a bit more stubborn than others. So hopefully this is the one last go. I'm just gonna again push this coat hanger in as far as I can. It's pretty much down to the bottom of the grip now. It's only got like a centimetre left. And again, just put a bit more fluid in. Push it down on the other side. Okay, so you'll feel, as soon as you get to the end, you'll feel it, you'll twist it, and you hear a click. That's all the tape off now. And all we need to do now is pull the coat hanger out, and watch this. Just slides off. There we go. And that is how you remove a golf grip with a coat hanger.